Hi, I'm Gavin Lodge, the founder and creator of E.C.Knox Baby Gear Redefined. I started this company when I was expecting my first kid and I wanted a slick, masculine diaper bag, and such a thing didn't exist. So I decided to make it myself, despite the fact that I didn't have any business or fashion experience. I designed and manufactured this bag, and my very first outlet was Barney's, which is no longer in business. But that's all right. You can still find it at chic boutiques across the country, along with many online e-commerce sites. This is the bag that I wanted when I was a new dad, and so I designed exactly what would have made my life a little easier. So, the diaper bag is made with ballistic nylon, which is super lightweight and very durable, along with leather detailing and trims all throughout the bag. And the hardware is one of the things I'm most proud of because it is so durable, and I really like the finish. On the inside, the first thing you'll find is a zip-out changing station. Unzip these two little guys and open the bag, and you've got a changing pad that is removable because this is Velcroed in, and washable, of course, because the dirty work is going to be done here. Right in front of you for this station, you've got pockets with diapers and pockets for creams. And of course, if you don't have the time or the space to do a full zip out, you can just reach in and pull the pad out and be on your way. Over on the side, there's a bottle holder that also accommodates a bottle of wine. I specifically wanted this for really hard days on the playground. On the back, there is a padded computer sleeve for a laptop, another sleeve for that magazine that you think you're going to read on the playground, but really you won't because you're so sleep deprived, and another couple of small slip pockets for phones, wallets, and even pens. Unclip the shoulder strap, clip it down here, and take one side, slide it through this D-ring in the center, and you've got a backpack. Coming back to the inside of the bag, you've got 6 pockets for organizing, plus a lot more space just in the middle for not organizing if you're like me and you just need to throw stuff in. There's a bottle holder, mesh pockets that you can see through for those emergency items you need in the middle of the night or on the playground, and then 2 more fabric pockets to hold things a little tighter. There's a keychain holder and plenty of space for more clothes, diapers, creams, or whatever you need. The inside liner is printed with our signature paisley, and it's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about the inevitable spills. But if you do have a spill, you can unzip the liner and remove it to be cleaned. Or when your diapering days are over, you can take the liner out entirely, and there's another liner inside, making it a finished messenger bag with a hidden zip pocket and 2 more mesh pockets for your organization. The bag is built to last for years, way beyond your diapering days. And finally, we get to my very favorite feature of the bag, instant access to wet wipes. Take a package of wet wipes refillables, put it in the side pocket, and through a magnetized pocket over here, you have instant access to wet wipes. It's magnetized shut so the wet wipes stay moist for a long time. The diaper bag also comes in 3 other colorways. There's the Windsor with gray ballistic nylon, a blue and red leather racing stripe, and a red paisley interior and changing pad. There's the Coastal with white ballistic nylon when you're feeling extra and want to be seen on the beach with your baby, with gold leather racing stripes and a sand paisley interior and changing pad. And finally, there's the Madison, black ballistic nylon, black leather racing stripes, and a Merlot executive tie stripe interior and changing pad. So there you have it, the E.C.Knox collection of diaper bags. The bag that says, parenting can be messy, but you can look good doing it.